Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to launch an NFT drop using Bitbond Token Tool. Go to tokentool.bitbond.com and connect your wallet. Next, select your preferred blockchain from the drop-down menu. Click on Create NFT. Enter the name, symbol, and the start and end time of your drop. Now, set the price per mint. This sets the minting price that buyers will be charged when minting your NFT. Set the maximum mint amount per user if you need to limit how many times a wallet can mint during the sale. Click Create NFT and confirm the transaction in your wallet. The smart contract will then be deployed to the network. To manage your NFT, either paste your contract address or select your NFT from the drop-down menu. Here, you can upload media and add a description of your NFT. Once live, redirect users to the NFT minting page for them to start minting it. The payment is sent directly to your wallet upon each mint, allowing you to easily and automatically earn revenue for your NFT drop. And that's it, you've just launched your first ever NFT drop. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.